Skylar. You want to play the piano for me? Play the piano. Come on, let's hear you. Yay! Let's hear some more. Can I hear some more? Yeah, a little more. A little more. Good girl. One more time. Yeah. Wow. I think I have the camera on for that. Today's Father's Day, June 15th. So we had a couple little steps there and a piano concerto.